Missouri's Attorney General is launching an investigation into the Pediatric Transgender Center in St. Louis.
A whistleblower claims the program designed to help transgender teens is harming them instead. Fox 2's Mallory Thomas is talking with families about their firsthand experience.
Families and trans teens who have gone through the program say the whistleblower allegations are not true, and they are angry that the Attorney General has launched an investigation into the program. An article is sparking heated discussions and legal action. It's the base for a sworn affidavit from the whistleblower and the base for a multi-agency investigation from Attorney General Andrew Bailey.
What is he basing it on? A very one-sided statement, article, report from a person inside who, for whatever reason, changed her mind about what was going on.
Chris Hyman knows the whistleblower well and says her son has worked with the whistleblower many times over the 5 years he's been in the program, which is why they are shocked with the allegations.
Betrayed and anxious and just a whole bunch of negative things.
There are a lot of allegations in the sworn statement, from doctors continuing medical transitions without parent consent to the center not requiring mental health for patients after receiving puberty blockers. Chris says none of those allegations are true.
I am involved in every step of it. I am in the room for part of the meetings. Every 6 months, there are blood tests to make sure we're monitoring hormone levels. Every appointment, I'm there. Every appointment, he fills out questionnaires. Every appointment, they check in with me.
Parents want to talk to the Attorney General instead of his office launching an investigation based on one person.
Tell me if the AG has a transgender child, because if he doesn't, and I don't think he does, then I don't think that he should be saying anything about this. Please ask the parents of these kids. We know what's right for our children.
We hoped to reach out to Attorney General Bailey tonight to discuss the investigation. We're told he is not available due to a week-long trip that began Thursday. His office sent a statement that reads in part, quote, "We have received disturbing allegations that individuals at the Transgender Center at St. Louis Children's Hospital have been harming hundreds of children." It goes on to say, "We take the evidence seriously and are thoroughly investigating." We have the full statement as well as a statement from the Pediatric Transgender Center. Both are on our website, fox2now.com. In St. Louis, Mallory Thomas, Fox 2 News.